So the method I used for my experiment was I put a ruler down on the table and I taped it down so it was nice and secure. I started recording with my phone and I lined the snake up with the beginning of the ruler and I pulled it until it snapped. I then stopped the recording and looked where the point where it snapped was, and that's how far it stretched. Um, so the evidence showed that the Allen snake stretched the furthest and the natural confectionery one stretched the least. This is how I form my conclusion, being that the brand does change how stretchy it is, and that the Allen snakes stretch the furthest, which was my hypothesis. Some strengths and weaknesses that I had in my test were that sometimes in the first few times the snakes went over the ruler, so I had to switch to a tape measure halfway through, which was sort of a flaw in my design that I should have thought of beforehand. But my test was very reliable as I did it 3 times over for each snake, and then made an average for the thing, which proved the validity of the test being very valid. And yeah, so that was my experiment, proving that the brand of Lolly Snake does change its stretchiness.